Hi, I'm Dr. Karthik Ram from Chennai Plastic Surgery. Thank you for your interest in the Mommy Makeover procedure, a combo of breast lift or reduction plus tummy tuck surgery. Motherhood changes your body sometimes in overwhelming ways. Breast sagging or heaviness, tummy laxity, and the emotional toll that comes with it. In India, this journey often feels harder without enough family support. And life changes like separation or divorce can add deep emotional weight. Our breast surgeries use my triple dermal pedicle method, published internationally and adopted worldwide, to reduce the complication and speed healing. These surgeries require just an overnight stay with follow-ups day 3, 7 and 10. Cardio workout resumes at 1 month, muscle workout after 2 months. If you're outside Chennai, please send photos and full medical history including your smoking and alcohol use. If you're a local, we'll examine you and discuss expected results and provide a clear estimate. This is more than surgery, it's your path to rediscover confidence, feel strong in your body again, and face life changes with renewed joy and self-love. Thank you for trusting us with this personal journey. We support you every step of the way.